We'll guide you through how to set up WooCommerce on WordPress. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type WooCommerce. Once you see the WooCommerce plugin, click Install Now. After the installation, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. You'll be greeted by WooCommerce's setup wizard. This wizard makes the setup process straightforward. Start by entering your store details like address, currency, and the type of products you'll be selling. Then, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. WooCommerce supports popular gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Select the ones you want to use and configure them as needed. Next, you'll set up your shipping options. WooCommerce allows you to add flat rates or calculate specific shipping costs based on regions. If you have digital products, you can skip this step. After configuring shipping, click Continue. You'll be prompted to choose additional features like automated taxes and MailChimp integration. Select what suits your business model and continue. Once you've completed the setup wizard, you can go to the WooCommerce settings in your dashboard to fine-tune your store's configurations. Here, you can add more payment options, adjust your shipping methods, manage taxes, and customize your store's appearance. It's also a good idea to explore WooCommerce extensions for added functionality like booking systems or subscription services, which can be found in the Extensions section of the WooCommerce tab. Congratulations! Your WooCommerce store is now set up and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.